Okay, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing a review here on the Sofirn SC31 Pro, and we'll get into why they call it the Pro in a little bit here. But first off, I want to thank the people at Sofirn very much for sending this out to me to do a review for you guys. The people at Sofirn are big Jonny HVAC supporters, so we really appreciate that here. Excellent. They've been with me for quite a while now, and I really appreciate them. And they're really nice people over there, and they're really good quality, especially, you know, for the price of what you get. And I'm not going to waste my time reviewing junk. I'm really picky about the flashlights, you know, too. So I'm not gonna waste my time in reviewing junk. So I kind of vet my people that send me stuff. If it's junk, I'm not gonna even do the review. So if you see me do a review that people send me stuff, it's because it's, you know, it's good. So typical Sofirn instructions. You get a lanyard, 2 extra O-rings. So the big change on this, so I have played with this for a few days, but pretty much is what it looks like when you get it. There's a little paper thing sandwiched between the battery and the tail piece here to take out this so the battery doesn't go dead in shipping. Little note there to tell you to take that out. The big change on this is it is a USB-C charging port. Open that, take that flap off. So it is USB-C, which is a really nice improvement. Because the micro USBs are, you know, you got to get it in there one way, and it kind of could be frustrating sometimes. Even if you do have it in the right way, it kind of feels like it's not going to go in right. So you just stick that in there, USB-C. So it turns red to indicate it's charging. It'll turn green when it's, you know, fully charged. Let's take that off. So doesn't matter, you could turn it either way, USB-C. Welcome to the future, boys. But that's really a nice upgrade there. So we have a blacked out clip here, which kind of looks pretty cool. So here's a tail piece. Go ahead and pop that off. Again, really nice machining, just like all their flashlights. We got the O-ring down there for water resistance. And we'll take out the battery. This is the Sofirn 18650, 3.7 volts, 3000 milliamp hour. Stick that in there. So what makes it the Pro is it has what they call Andreal UI. I'm probably not saying that right, but something along those lines. So what that is, you could program it to do certain things by switching the switch here. So right now it's glowing green. That doesn't really mean, it's not really indicating anything about the battery. It's when the battery goes low, it's not going to turn red or anything. This is just to help you find it and what have you. So here's an instruction. So it has, again, what they call Andreal UI. I'm probably not saying that right, but it kind of gets a little complicated. So here's like a diagram. It's a little confusing. Actually, they recommend that you Google it to research it more, but you could program, here's it in text form. It's a little easier to understand, but you could do all kinds of things. You click this, you know, certain ways, it'll tell you, the light will flash, tell you the battery status and what have you. You could program it, get all nerdy on it, but if you don't want to get all nerdy on it, you don't have to. So this goes up to 2000 lumens on the light. So let me just kind of, there's the LED, really nice reflector. It's only going to stay on the 2000 lumen, the high, what they call turbo mode, for about a minute because it gets pretty hot, especially for a single LED, and then they'll ramp down so it doesn't overheat. It says you could actually start a fire with the heat that comes off of it, probably in that 2000 lumen mode. It's also to be careful not to start any fires in that 2000 lumen mode. Okay, so one of many things you could do with this Andreal UI, I don't know why I can't say that right, but you could do a lot of things. I mean, again, they said to Google it, and you do bike mode, SOS, and strobe, and all kinds of weird stuff. You could control the light inside this button here. So you turn it one of 4 modes: off, as you see here, dim, bright, and flashing. So one of the things I noticed is you have to be in the step mode in order to switch this light inside that button there. So what we'll do is click it 7 times and we'll get it to turn into dim mode. Let's see if I can do this right here on camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're in dim mode. And again, this doesn't indicate anything about the battery status. It's not going to turn red or anything. It's only going to turn red when you actually put the cord in to charge it, and then turn green when it's fully charged. But standalone, this light here doesn't really indicate so much as the battery status as you're using it. Only if you click it 3 times and the light will flash, and this will actually flash as well. Other than that, it's not going to turn red or anything. So right now we're in dim mode. So we'll press it another 7 times to go to the brighter mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's kind of nice too. So that definitely helps you not to lose it in the dark area, attic, work in the car, whatever, crawl space. And again, another 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're in the flashing mode, and that's pretty cool too. And that will definitely help you not to lose it, hopefully. And we want to turn that off. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're off. So I have to actually email them on how to do that. So, because I didn't see it in the instructions, maybe I missed it, but there's so much, again, there's so much you could do with this. Again, if you want to get nerdy, you could get nerdy. If you don't want to get nerdy, you don't have to get nerdy, but you got to know a little bit to use this flashlight, but it's pretty cool. So to check the battery voltage with the light off, you just click the button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we'll check that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So it's 4.2 volts. And to get it to stop, let's click it again. And we'll turn it on. We're in step mode. So that's like moonlight. Next step up. Brighter. Brighter. You hold in the button. Brighter. So you just kind of go up and down like that too. And to switch the modes from step to ramp, to smooth ramp up and ramp down, you click it 6 times. At least that's what I found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So flash like that. So now we're in ramp mode. Like that. Down. And you can leave it there. Turn it off. And it'll kind of save it into the spot where you left it, the brightness level where you left it. Hold it up, hold it again, go back down, all the way down there. So that's just one of many things you could do with this flashlight. I can't get into everything because I don't want to make this video super long, but you can do a lot of things with this flashlight. And again, to get it back to go to step mode, press it again 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So flash there. Eat some grass? Sure, why not? It's free. Choir boys don't endorse eating grass, but if you're a cat, why not? Special CC exemption. Oh, that looks like devil grass though. Not sure about this. That is devil grass. I guess it's good that you eat the devil. Kill the devil grass. 1 bite at a time. Good boy. Good boy.